So today's question is question 4. Excuse me. Question 4 on the Christmas exam. All right. So we're just working our way through again. So we have our A, B, C, and D parts to this question. So some of them start easy, then increase the difficulty here. Okay. So we'll work our way through. So it just shows a 3D model of a retro style radio. Also shown in the drawing is an LCD panel. So this is this one here, okay? Just with some information on it. All right, so it's displaying the Wi-Fi, it displays the volume, and it displays the frequency, okay? So this is what we're, or the frequency here, sorry, and the equalizer here. So we have a few different displays on it, and there, once it says it here, they're going to definitely, as you see here, they're going to come into the question throughout, all right? So we have here first part, the outline drawn of the volume level display is shown below. Shade the display to show the volume is set to 60%. So you can see straight away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 there, nice and handy lads, that's 100%. So you only have to shade 6 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's your 6, 4 left over, alright? So they just want you to shade it in. So I'll keep it nice and easy and basic. Shade in those 6 out of there. Again, it's quick, lads. It's an easy 2 marks. That's all that is going to be in an exam. It's 2 marks is all they'll give you for it, because it's so straightforward and simple. Alright. Pop it in, shade it up, cover it in, whatever it is. Job done. Alright. Now, an incomplete drawing of the graphic equalizer display is shown below. Complete the drawing by constructing an axial symmetry on the line LL. So there's your axis. This literally flips below, like mirrored over onto the other side. Alright, so we're just popping these lines. So there. A little slip on the camera a bit. No. There. Extend them down. They're down here somewhere. So I'm going to send them all down, keeping it nice and quick first. Everything gets sent out. Doesn't matter if it's too long. Alright, because at the end of the day, it's just constructional work. Keeping it light, we can have it in a few minutes. Last but not least, okay. Get our compass, pop them along then. So put the steel on our line LL, so our axis in the middle. There's your distance there. We want to flip it to the other side for that one. Alright. There's that one. We'll jump to the next one. There we have it there. Oh, sorry. There's there. Flip it to the other side. Go to this one. There it is there. Flip it to the other side. Now that one's nearly too small to catch the compass, so just about get there. So just be careful because you will have a little bit of slip in there, alright? Alright, just keep going along. Just takes a minute or two just to get them all popped in. It's the slowest part, it's just literally flipping to the other side. Alright, there you go. Now we can have each one across. And now we're finishing off, close them up there. There you have the axis symmetry done on this one. Alright, now jumping on to part C. The radio has Wi-Fi connectivity for downloading and streaming music. Alright, so here's its symbol over here. The drawing across shows the logo. Alright, divide the line OA, so OA, divide it into 6 equal parts and complete the drawing of the wireless logo. So it tells us a piece of information there, 6 parts. It tells us this here is 140 degrees, that line that's kicking out there from O. Alright, so we have a bit of information. So we'll do this bit first, 6 equal parts. So from O, we're just going to bring a line out at any angle, any distance, any angle. Send it out there. Get your compass then, set your compass to any distance and start at O. Compass at any distance, and we're going to step it out 6 times, 6 equal parts. So keeping that compass same distance, just move the steel each time, that's all you have to do, and we're just going to step it 6 times. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Job done. Now, sliding set squares. So we're going to join our last one, the 6th point is going to join the end bit there, A, the end of the line A. Alright, so we're going to send them all back. Nice and light now, construction lines. And there's my last one. There's my 6 parts. That's the first thing. Second now. We're going to do the 140. So 140 degrees coming up here. So we're going to use our protractor. Sitting the crosshairs on the O, 180 on the line OA, and you're going to go up to 140 degrees there. Alright, nice light line now from here, O to there, and extend it out. Alright, last but not least, compass on O, extend it out to the end because we're going to match these now, alright? Extend it out to the end there, and it's heavy now out to hit that line. Alright. Now, last but not least, it's every second one then. It's getting heavy. Now the line OA is heavy anyway, alright, so you can't really see them, but over here on the 140, that's where you'll see them rightly. Alright, and that is your Wi-Fi symbol. Now, last part there, which is this one down here. So the radio has a manual turning dial, which is this one here. Alright, so that's showing the outline. Complete the drawing of the turn dial by constructing tangents from point P to circle C. P to circle C. Alright, so these are tangents. Alright, so you have, what you do, if you have a point outside the circle, you need to get a tangent to it. You join the center of the circle to the point, which is done for us. We bisect that line to find the midpoint. Bisect that line in half. So put the steel at one side, extend it over what you think is half, swing an arc both sides of the line, move your steel to point P, swing the arc both sides as well. We get our 2 X's, join the X's together. That gives us there, that crossover is the midpoint of the line. Put your compass on the midpoint of the line, extend it to either P or the center of the circle, doesn't matter, okay? We have it there, we happy with that? Yeah, just making sure. Now I'll just swing one arc, or semicircle I should say, all the way around. Just to show you. You don't need to do it on both sides, you don't have to do the full semicircle, you can just do an arc to make contact here, but I'm just going to put it in just to show you it should hit both of them. Where the semicircle makes contact with the circle, see, that point there is our point of contact, so our POC, that joins back to P down here. Instead of doing it all over again, on the left hand side, we can actually just take that point of contact, transfer it, because it's like axial symmetry, which we had over here, transfer it horizontally across to the other side, where it makes contact there, join it back to P. There you have your simple turn diagram. Okay.